To customize own watch faces on Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go into the Huawei Health application. From there you can manage these watch faces, you can customize them, and from there go into the devices and go into my faces. From there you have to go into manage local watch faces and select the current watch faces which you have currently enabled, the gallery one. And from here you can actually manage this your watch face. You can change the background, you can add another image for this watch face. You can change the color of this background, like of the tint kind of, and here you can change this color. As you can see, it changes the tint on the picture. You can also set up the style for the clock, of the appearance of this clock, as you can see, and depending on which style you have currently selected, you can change the time position. It can be top left, bottom left, and some other stuff, as you can see, but it depends actually on which style you have currently selected, so it doesn't apply to all of these clock styles, as you can see. And from here you can also change the font, set up the font for your clock of the appearance, as you can see, and you can also set up the color for your of the font of this watch, I mean the clock, as you can see. And additionally there are some kind of features, like you can add up to 2 different datas as you select it. Here's the list of all of these different functions that which you can add to display on your watch face, and there are a lot of them. So let's select, for example, the UV light right here, press this check mark on the top right corner to accept it, and from here select the battery, for example, press this to accept it, and here's the preview of how your watch face would look like, but it doesn't apply instantly on your watch. So let me just quickly show you. Right now we have this watch face, and now to save this one, which we have currently customized, we have to press this save button, and from here the background is being saved, and as you can see, now this is our current watch face, as you can see. So that is how you can customize your own watch faces.